9-story impulse. Whoa. Very nice place. This is the Delta Hotels by Marriott here in Santa Clara, California. I've never been to one of these properties before. This is really interesting. The other car is broken, so we won't be riding that one, obviously. I think this is the tallest impulse I've been on. Hey, what floor? What floor are you head to?
6.
Biltmore Hotel, that's what this used to be called. I think it was something else before that too. But the whole place is renovated now into a Marriott property.